Hello guys, this is how to fix CS2 FPF drops. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So you're gonna go ahead and launch the game, and then in your in-game settings, you're gonna head over to the video settings. Then you're gonna head over to the advanced video settings. So once you navigate to that, you're gonna go ahead and enable NVIDIA Reflex low latency. Um, just right at the bottom right there. Just make sure that is enabled. So that is your graphics card right there. And then what you're gonna go ahead and do is to make sure that the display mode is on full screen and it is not windowed. So for that, we're gonna go ahead and head to our video settings. Because sometimes when it's windowed, when it switches to the windowed option, the game tends to lag, or the picture tends to lag. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the video, and just make sure that it is on full screen. Display mode is on full screen and not windowed, just like that right there. And then the refresh rate should be at 60. Um, if not 60, then it should be at your computer's screen refresh rate. Mine is at 144 hertz, so I'll stick to that. And then another fix could be multi-sampling. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that right now. So we're gonna go over to the advanced video settings again. Then in the multi-sampling, just make sure that is changed to CMAA2. Just drop down CMAA2 right there. Go ahead and click on that. And then we make sure that the vertical sync is disabled. Just like that, it is disabled. And that right there should fix the problem. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.